and horsey. You have a cow? And a horsey? What color is your cow? Brown? Brown and white? What color is the horsey? Black. Black and white. That's right. Cow is white and brown. Black. That's right. Do you see the horsey's ears? See his ears? Does the cow have ears? Yeah. The cow has ears. Does the horsey have a tail? Yes. Does cow have a tail? Yes. Does Hudson have a tail? No. Hudson doesn't have a tail. Mama doesn't have a tail. Kitty does. Yes, Kitty has a tail. A black tail?